Welcome to Do Big Forum conducted by Tata Tele Business Service. That Tata Tele Business Service is actually focusing on the SME sector. Our sister concern, Tata Communication, takes care of the large enterprises, the global players. That's the global company, but Tata Tele Business Service is focusing on the SME sector at the moment. So when I talk about the question answer session, a lot of products that we'll see today are actually derived from such sessions where we got inputs. Most products that we have as of now, it's no longer a seller's market, it's a buyer's market. So products are customizable. When you see any product, you have to ask us, can this be possible? And it can be tailor-made as per your organization. We have seen in the past that 10 products, take it or leave it. That's not the day anymore. Products are being customized as per organization's requirement.
Tomorrow we are increased to 20. How I can able to scale? In the PRI you might have seen, I need to add a PRI card in the EPP, right? But I am using a SIP lines here. SIP is an IP based layer, so it will have a HD quality of voice. I can able to accommodate 1500 channels in a single pipe. Single Ethernet handover, I think you might have not, right? Ethernet will going to connect with the laptop or desktop. That Ethernet cable can able to provide you 1500 lines. That means 1500 concurrent calls can able to make with the SIP lines. That's an advantage. And also we can able to expand it. The capacity what we build with our platform is 1 lakh calls per minute. Sorry, 1 second. I can able to initiate a call. Many of the majority of our own companies, group companies are started deploying on this. Normal technology is there. On top of that, we are running a SD-WAN layer. So this will give a centralized controller. I can able to sit in a single location. I can control all my 10 locations, 20 locations. So whatever may be the bandwidth, you can able to have a broadband, dongle, lease line, MPLS, of course. 10 Mbps, 2 Mbps, no relevance.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.